Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Free Fire in iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to download Free Fire game in your phone, then I'll help you how to download it. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, click on Wi-Fi and connect any Wi-Fi network with your phone. And guys, if not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, after connecting your iPhone with strong internet connection, then guys you need to go back and open your app store. And guys, here you need to search simply Free Fire. And guys, after searching you need to wait for its result. And guys, now you can see here the second app is Garena Free Fire. So guys, simply you need to click on it and click on get. And guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys, now you can see here is the option of install. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And guys, after a few seconds your game will be downloading. So guys, now you can see this app has started downloading in my phone. So guys, now you can see here it is in waiting list. So guys, after downloading it will shows in my desktop of my iPhone. And guys, after this you will be able to play this game smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.